Video we are going to learn about the finally block. Finally block in event handling will always get executed independent of the fact whether exception arises or not. Let us see with the help of a program. Here we have created a class A, and inside class A we are having the main method. We have taken three variables A, B and C, and we have assigned the value 10 to variable A, 5 to variable B, and we have printed a statement exception handling basics. Now inside the try block we have done some division code which is resulting in division to 0 error, and this try block statement is not going to execute, as I have explained in the previous lectures that from here an exception object will be created and will be thrown to the catch block. The catch block will be executed, the output will be division by 0 error, and then finally block will always be executed. If try block is creating an exception, then the flow of the program is try block, catch block, finally block. If try block is not throwing any exception, then we are going to have the execution like try block, catch is not going to run because there is no exception, then finally block. Even if suppose here occurs some other type of exception which is not handled by this catch block. Suppose here we are working with arrays and array index out of bound exception occurs, and we have not created the catch block for that particular exception class. Even then, if my object is unhandled, exception object is unhandled, even then this finally is going to execute. Now as a developer in finally block, we should write those statements that we always want to execute in our program. For example, closing of streams, closing the streams for databases, connections of databases, and so on should be written in the finally block. So that's about finally. Let's quickly run this program. To execute this program, we are opening terminal. And inside the terminal, let's quickly compile the program javac space a dot java. So my program is compiled. Now I am going to run it java a. So you can see here exception handling basics, division by 0 error, and I will always get executed. So this is the output for my finally block.